Welcome to this tutorial. Here we'll discuss how you can downgrade your Nokia Lumia 532. If you have the file, you extract it. If you don't have the file, check the description for the link. Be careful when you are downgrading to avoid issues. All the files associated with Lumia is on the description link. This is the driver. This is the firmware. So you can downgrade from Windows 10 down to 8.1 if you have the file, please. If you don't have the file, you cannot do that. Let's head to the flashing software or the image designer tool. That's what we use and downgrade the phone. You open it again, then choose the bit. Mine is 64 bits. Make sure you install the driver. So this is the driver. So let me try and install the driver first. I'll click next. Then click next again. The driver has been installed. The driver has been installed, so can go ahead and flash the phone. Click on Window Phone Image Designer tool. That's what you use to flash Nokia Lumia. So open Image Designer. Then click on Start. This window will come up. Then wait for another window to come up. There's a form of CMD prompt. So Windows Phone Image Designer, that's the name. Go select flash a Windows phone image onto your phone, then click next. Good. Click on this change to enable you select your own firmware. then the firmware you downloaded for your phone. So I will locate where the firmware is. Then I will click on the firmware and then select it. Good. So click here. Once you refresh it, it will appear. Then click on flash. You click on flash. I started flashing. Grab your cup of tea and wait for it to finish counting the percentage. This 99%, so soon your flashing is over. So this 100%. So you are done. Say congratulations, your device has been successfully flashed with the image you selected. So the next thing, you power your phone. Make sure that it's working normal. Once it's working, that means you are good to go. Otherwise you will flash with the image or different image, that is flash file. If you want to learn how to flash phone, please check the course on the description. So this is the phone. I've powered the phone. So let's see whether it comes up after downgrading. Good, has come up. It says welcome back. That means we're good to go. So the next thing we'll do is to set up the phone. Tap on next. Say SIM error, meaning there is no SIM card inside. So we close that. So let's start. We'll tap on next again. Tap on accept. We skip using Wi-Fi. Tap next. We're using recommended here. Then we'll tap next again. We don't want to sign in now. Sign in later. So wait for the app. They say a few more apps we need to finish installing. It should just take another moment or two. So wait for the apps to finish installation, and they are good to go. So you have successfully downgraded your Lumia from 10 point to 8.1, or from any other higher version to lower version. That is a set of downgrading. So this is the phone, and you are good to go. So you can go and check the version. Let's see the version. Let's see what is there. Sometimes if you are a technician, you can just play with phone, but you have to be careful. Like playing this with this phone, flashing it higher file and downgrading it with lower file. So this is now 8.1. It's now 8.1, but before it was 10. Thank you and bye.